So as I see a morning time, as I say, hustle and bustle are go on, people are go work, kids are go school, all the little thing are go on, you understand? Yeah.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing ooh na na, ooh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? Now here is truly 876 by Bergs, you know. You understand? Yeah. And from you hear my voice and you see the video, you know what time it is, right? Yeah. You know, so we're there up on the road for taking one go on exactly. You get what I say? Yeah, man. And that I go on. And right now, it's in the morning time. The place is a bit overcast. As you can see, the skies are gloomy, the grey. You get what I say? Yeah, the sun not peep out like how usually it does in the morning time. You get what I say? Yeah, we're currently in a Spanish town. And this look youth and look on the road. Yeah, man, so as I see a morning time, as I say, hustle and bustle are go on, people are go work, kids are go school, all the little thing are go on, you understand? Yeah. So there I make way, take your time. Actually, I go a whole harbor right now, people, you see me? So we are basically go against the traffic, so it's not that bad for we, you get me? Yeah, you know that bad for we are go against the traffic, you get me I say? Yeah, man. So it should be smooth sailing go down a whole harbor. It's after 7 right now. I'm so 7:30 right now. And in Jamaica, the people them just walk out on the road. Little picnic, big people. They no business, they just walk out on the road. Yo, the people them not looking at man. People just walk out in the road. Then look left, then look right. Top Percy, you know. Watch out. We just fling open. Yo, I tell you now. We were just fling open. Then no business They no business. Pedestrian no care. They no care when them a walk. And the funny thing, nothing wrong for you to look for them and be cautious, you know. Because it's a two-way thing. But to how them operate, it does seem like them a drive the car. Because if a car should have licked them or something, you know, man. Me a tell you, you know, man. You get me? Remember car all lion, you know. You understand? Yeah. Go around up here, so. So I say a whole heap of traffic are coming. Whole heap of traffic are coming out town and Spanish town. People are coming from a whole heap of places. Clarendon, Mandeville side, you know. Yeah, man. Whole harbour, whole heap of place. It's a one man here. He's gonna run out. Tell you, I feel look for the kids them and the people. Trust me. But I saw the traffic look I come in a Spanish town a morning time, people. It's exactly how it look. And of course, you know you have the bypass too, but sometimes the bypass have more traffic in the people than where I come through the town, or the traffic move more freely through the town than on the bypass. Right now we're about for up and for Whole Harbour Road. Yeah, and this again have a little traffic again when you approach the town too. So if you come from Whole Harbour, Clarendon, you know, Manchester side, them place there. You have to take the road there, you don't know. Every town centre, I thought it's not every video. Every town centre, you know, you always have a little bit of traffic while you approach the town, you get me? Yeah. Some days it move freer than some. And then sometimes little traffic build up all you say to people. You can hear when you Willow Dean. Sometimes the traffic build up there so to come in from out of Old Harbour. I guess I don't know. I don't know, because you have feather bed lane right there so we filter another set of traffic from another part of St. Catherine too. So you get what I say, it carries little traffic too, so sometimes you buck up little traffic right now, that little area right there, so you get me. Well, I think we passed LiQWYD already, but from right there so go straight back out to LiQWYD, you have little build up sometimes, you get me? Yeah. I just rush hour still in the morning time then, you understand? Yeah man, I just say it set up people. Rush hour in the morning time, you get me? Yeah. Some days it's worse, people. Some days it's like a standstill. Trust me, because I have time when I come in from in the morning time, I come in from Old Harbour. I head in a Spanish town and I tell you, because you see the build up, you see from which part is there. Way back here, so. For this, you know. But I mean, it kind of free up a little bit from Old Harbour Road still, so, you know. Not that bad. But you gotta work and buck up in this. I have definitely left out early. I have to make preparation for the traffic here. This is far. Later stretch from. But normally if I come from Old Harbour, though, I normally we left out earlier, because this serious. And then what if you work all in a Kingston? Every little area have little pockets of traffic too, you know. You get me? Yeah, because if you work in a Kingston and you go through, it's another little set of traffic that too. You understand? Yeah. So you just have to make preparation for the traffic. But I'm going to say today overcast. I'm not sure if we might get some rain. Sometimes the day might clear up. Might end up be a sunny day. You understand? So sometimes the mornings them start out. People who live in the cold state, they want to know about this. Like the morning they will be like this, and you know, you know, everything just clear up. Place still cold, but it does clear up. You see me? And by the way, brothers, a shout out to my subscriber them too. You get what I say? Yeah. Shout out to all the people living in the UK there. Yo, England people them. Yo, we get a whole heap of comments on that tell me how the cold and the place wet, and yo, big up on yourself, you know, cause yo, I don't think we could have do it, you know. No, I don't think we could have do that, give me something there. We need to take a vacation. You see me? Yeah man, we need to take a vacation, man, and come in a place, man. You understand? Yeah. Take a vacation, man, and come in a place. You understand? Yeah, man. Even though today looks so, the place warm and nice, same way. You get me? Yeah, man. Place alright. No, we don't have to wear a winter jacket out there, so, right? Yeah, we just cool and nice. You see me? Yeah. a little area down here so when you gutters. When we reach there, so I'm going to make a quick little stop. And taxi man will be himself. I'll be a taxi man. And when them not have to drive bad and drive fast and hard, them still do it. Because we are going against the traffic. But I guess if you want to run go down there for load for run come back up. You know the rat race. You see me? Because I make me nice back of the kid. Not me, it never there behind me, but the car behind me did there behind her. And he make me nice, he jump on the man bumper. See where they say he jump on the bus, I go him on go around while I go, you know. He drive terrible, man. Morning, noon and night. Yesterday, today and tomorrow. See him with them drive, they don't change. But yeah, I stop at a little place named Gutters. I get little sugar. Watch out one here come round. Why am I do this for? Why am I drive so far? Yo, you have to look for them in a corner, I'm come round, you know. And he want to overtake the man, you know. Corner, I'm come round. Yo, them man are the worst, me I tell you, man. Them taxi man are. Yo. Them are the worst, man. You need to give them taxi man a car where only can go 30 miles per hour and 40 the most per hour. Yeah? Yeah, manage them taxi man, man. And give them a car with no horn in it. I saw them for train them. When them go to school and when a taxi you go run, you have to get a special training. I saw them for do them. No horn and 40 miles per hour. Teach them some patience and make them learn to control them anger and them little thing. But anyways, I stop a little place my name Gutters. You see me? Yeah, me I stop this so. I stop this and next taxi man up on the outside I come. So we approach a corner and he might go past me, you know. He now ease up. So see. See me? Taxi man. Yo, the man them would even prove me wrong. Me can bet money on them taxi money and win because I know how they done. You see me? Yeah. Anyway, I talk about I can stop at Gutters buy a little sugar. Because you don't know. Morning like them gonna be like a cornmeal porridge. Or maybe like a banana. You see me? Yeah. Like banana porridge. You know what I think? When last time I beat some of them porridge. I don't found I drink no porridge again, you know. No, drink no porridge again. No found I drink no porridge again. They are foreigner when they get Americanized and Englandized. You see me? Yeah. Hey, me I say yo big up to Carmen over there say, you know. People are far Carmen there and I watch from, you know. Carmen, big up yourself still, you know. Yeah man, big up yourself, Carmen. You can call it say Carmen basically probably there in Miglis. Very far. You see me? Jamaicans are everywhere. You see me? Carmen, you drink porridge over there, so which part you there? You need to know if you drink porridge over there. Because I say no for not drink no porridge, I want to drink no soup. We don't drink no porridge, I want to drink no chicken foot soup. No for you. Yeah. You probably not eat no stew peas neither. Just gone in the foreign food. But yeah man, I get little sugar man. Cause I think down here so when I go, I think we run out a little sugar down here, you know? Yeah. I need a little bit of that. So I get it and make it on something reach it. Would I show on still, but would I make a vlog and show on still, but you don't know how watch them vlog there. You just want to see the road and out the door. You don't know how watch them vlog there because we do 1 and 2 of them vlog there. And you don't know watch them. Right now I have a vlog. The last vlog like this some I do, I think. The last vlog like this some I do. I think me and Kimmy go down to one resort and Mobile. Now, I don't know watch it. Me and Kimmy there on the thumbnail. Yeah, me and Kimmy there on the thumbnail. You know the far on the channel. If you scroll back in the upload section, the section where it say uploads our videos, you know we see it. Nice to go vlog too, go down at the hotel and with the full joy yourself and thing, you see me? Yeah. Hold on, then I'm going to see if I can get. I just saw me going to people. I'm part down here, so. I'm going to go and look out the road and tell me out the road. Look, I have forward 1 second. I have forward 1 second. Alright people, so I'm back. Alright, so I'm get one more. I'm back on the road again. Yeah. Yeah man, a little wholesaler shopper, we don't know what you want to call it. They want me 24 hours, you know, so anytime you want something, you can get it from them. You understand? Yeah. Yeah man, so as me I tell you, I say, I make that vlog there and show you what go on. You know, a little chill vlog, but who don't watch them? Who don't want to see this, so just who don't want to see. So I just me I show you. You get what I say? Yeah. But yeah man, big up to all of the subscribers them man, who don't know the thing man. You see me? Yeah. Bless up on yourself man. Really appreciate you know. I don't know the joke thing when me tell you that you know. Real talk, you see me? Yeah man, a real talk man. Don't know the people them from you know Florida side there. So only for support me get a Florida. I have a whole heap of people to watch and them no comment, you know. You see me, but them are real, them miss a video. So I just want to say yo, big up to them people too, you see me? Yeah man, big up to them people too man, you know, don't know the thing man, you see me? Yeah. Yeah man, bless up on yourself man. People in Canada and all the people too. You see me? UK people them are watching but them not really comment, them really comment, you know? Yeah man, but big up on yourself in the UK peeps. You see me? Yeah man, and the rest of Caribbean, we have people from whole heap other places in the Caribbean too. Always I watch. Yeah man, cause when I check, you know, the analytics and things to see where the people them I watch from and so yo, some places when I see and I say, yo, Jano, you see me? So big up on yourself man. Bless up on yourself, you don't know. People in my yard too I watch. We can't let for the people in my yard where I watch. Yo, you see the people in my yard, them loyal to the thing. Yo, from my channel start, the people in my yard, me I tell you, yo, and them watch time, them I watch the whole of the video them too and them thing they like the entire video, them I watch. So you see me? Shout out to me hard people, man. People them there upon the rock just like myself. Bless up on yourself, man, and you know the thing, man. Maximum respect. You understand? Yeah. Maximum respect to you, man. You see me? Yeah, man. People them, yard people them loyal to the thing, man. You see me? Although much yard people no comment do, you know. No, people over there yard them don't really comment. Them just watch though. Bless up on yourself, man. Appreciate you know every time, you see me? Yeah. Always appreciate you know. Your sights. Yeah. I'm a little shortcut to me can take up as but just for the fun I'm going to show you now. In the town of Old Harbour, I'm going to see how in the town look and things, you see me? Yeah. Show you now in the town of Old Harbour look. Right, just near Marley Mount. You see me, them call it Marley. Yeah. Basically, I approach the town of Old Harbour now, you know, people. Yeah, basically, I approach the town of Old Harbour now. But the bad man here send the van, so. Man, town of Old Harbour, these people. Alright, man. Alright, so I could have turned you saying people, but nah, turn you so you see him look hustle and bustle vibes probably, or maybe most of the people have gone already because it's so 6 minutes to 8 o'clock now. So maybe most of the people them, you know, gone on them way already. Because remember this you would not come from further, so you know, for them hustle really hustle and bus would have probably didn't start from like probably 5:30 or so. Them out to try get a vehicle, you know? Yeah. Because when me down here, I left out like, you know, like I left like probably about 6. And if me did have to take a public transportation, would have left earlier. So yeah. And then depending on which part you come from, because some of them remember them living at the town, you know. So they have to take like a vehicle coming at the town, so yeah. I think that school are Innswood. Don't quote me, might be wrong though. They're close to Spanish Town. Before you're catching at the town of Spain. So from the left side right to now where the bus park. It was a market, you know. Part of the market still the back there though. But it was a market and I think it must have burned down or something, so bus park over there now. So the bus park is where I go Spain. Yeah, bus and taxi. And some other places in Old Harbour. You get taxi over there for go there. Left turn down here so you know people. And the video soon come to an end, you know. Yeah. Soon close off. Down here so on my left South Road they have Old Harbour High School. See look at traffic people, I'm not too sure what go on. But look at traffic there. No, so you have the train to it. You know the train pass down here so I'm not sure if that go on. But it moves steady still. It don't really stand still, so that's not bad. you actually have an entrance to the toll road off this road here, so that will possibly contribute to the traffic too. So you have an entrance and an exit. You understand? So that will probably cause this traffic build up too. Yeah. And when you take the shortcut right there, some would have come out. So drop me out right there. So. So as you see that little turn there kind of cause a little traffic build up too. Yeah. White van they never give man the blind a while ago. Or did the white van want the blind? That man wall out and say, yo, I'm not getting a blind. Yeah. But see what about high school up on my left hand side, people. Kids them are going to the school, you know? Yeah. And my lovely people, this is where the video can come to an end, you know. So, give thanks for journey with me. You know, give thanks for chat along on the journey and thing. When you don't know the thing, go always remember to like, share, comment. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. You get what I say? Yeah, man, I could grow the thing, man. Make the thing want man. And the people them always a comment. You know, I'm a long time subscriber, them, yo, big up on yourself, man, and know the thing, man, you see me? Yeah. Man, like all King J-Bo. Yo, big up yourself, you know, my G. King J-Bo is a man we watch, but the man, they just comment when the thing, you know? Yeah. Something serious outside at the knob. Yeah, man. But the man, they always a watch, man. So bless up yourself, man. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, my general. You see me? Yeah. Man, like all Chadwick. Bless up yourself, you know. Bless up yourself, you know, Chadwick. Big up your damn self, my boss. You get what I say? Yes, man. Big up, man. You see me? 876 by Bergs. I send whole heap of blessings and me I say whole heap of respect to you. Cause see say you out there on the video. Them. See that you watch, you comment, all of them things there. So, bless up. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you know the thing, man. And Jamaica, one love. Yeah, man, outside of Florida, there, South Florida. Bless up yourself, man. You know the thing, man. All I want, man. All I want. Bless up on yourself, man. You see me? Now, Frodo. I wonder if I pronounce the name right. Frodo. You say you want me to do one place there. Yeah, I'm going to program it for you, see? I'm going to try to program it for you. So big up yourself, my people. This is where the video come to a close. You know? All the subscribers, them bless up on yourself. When you don't know, you know hear your name now. Next video, I'm going to shout you out tonight. You see me? Bless up yourself, man. LiQWYD, see? I'm out.
wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere